multiplication tricks. 104 into 106. See clearly here 100 plus 4, 100 plus 6, 4 6 are 24. Again see, either you will take 104 6 or 106 with 4, will get 110 only. Whatever number will take, will add with consecutive number, will get 110. Here 100 above, so we are adding this thing. I'll give one more example. Solve me and ping me in comment box. 105 into 107. Solve this using shortcut and ping me in comment box. Okay.